Alright girl, it's time for another tutorial. I'm calling this one Midnight Dreams, honey. Starting out with jet black gel colors. Using my white art gel, I am gonna draw my butterfly details. I'm using my 10mm painting brush, by the way. While we're painting this, I am gonna tell you the golden rule of lines work. Use heavier pressure for thicker lines and use super light pressure on just the tip of your brush for much thinner lines. Now, here when I'm done, and I am gonna use my new highlight gel colors. This gel is much stronger than milky gel colors and weaker than pigment base. I use it mainly to create highlight and shading, but another ability that this gel has is that it can absorb pigment. I am using blue, green, pink, and tangerine. And here is the finished result. I am applying my new sheer holochrome on the index and pinky right on top of the black and rainbow background. Let me know what you think.